Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's the H2O Bro. Are you not sure if your water softener is regenerating? Maybe you don't hear it anymore, so you're a little worried about it. So today I'm going to show you how to check if your water softener is regenerating or not. So here you're going to go to the status button. You're going to go click the status button until you get to the blank screen. Once you're at the blank screen, you're going to press down or the minus button. First thing it's going to say is flow. It's going to say 0.0. At this point, you can have somebody help you out, or you can do it yourself. You can go inside the house and open up a faucet, come back out. If it starts counting your water, that means your flow meter is working, and it's a pretty good sign that your water softener is regenerating on its own. But if you still have doubts, go click the status. I'm sorry, you're going to go status until the blank screen. So down, first thing is going to say flow. Then it's going to say, then you're going to check for 14 days. In the last 14 days, this unit has regenerated one time. So that right there will clear your mind and give you a better perspective if your water softener is regenerating or not. Furthermore, if you press the minus button again, total, that's how many times it's regenerated in total. Press the minus button again, it's going to say days. 10. That means it last regenerated 10 days ago. Press down. Again, you're going to get to the flow screen. So just a quick recap. If you get to flow screen, you go turn on the water faucet. If it starts counting water, that's a very good sign that your water softener is regenerating on its own. You press the minus button again until it says 14 days. In the last 14 days, regenerated one time. Click the minus, it's going to say days. It regenerated 10 days ago. Once you know all this, that will let you know if your water softener is regenerating on its own and if your water softener is working. Then you hit the status button to get to the home screen, and there you go. Now you know how to check if your water softener is regenerating. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helped you out. Thanks.